One of my favorite things, garden tomatoes. However, at this time of the year, you have to be careful because you've spent all summer taking care of those tomatoes, cutting off the suckers. Yes, they need attention, our tomatoes. So at this time of year in the fall, you don't want to lose them to frost because they don't like frost. So your best friend can be a cardboard box, okay? So what you do is you just wrap your tomatoes individually in newspaper and line them in a cardboard box. If you see frost coming, even if the tomatoes are green, take them off because they won't survive frost. Usually, you know, you can maybe get away with it once, but why take the chance? So if I see that the temperature's dropping before freezing, I always take the green tomatoes off the plant, wrap each one individually in newspaper, line them like one layer at a time, you know, one layer of tomatoes, then another one at a time, and check them frequently to see if they're ripening. You can keep your tomatoes really happy that way. So if you know that that frost is coming, get out there and pick your green tomatoes, right? And you have a great day.